Welcome to MFX Center's 2-Minute Trading School, where 2 minutes a week can change your trading life. Before progressing further, let's look at the disclaimer.
In today's video, we'll be talking about 3 most important websites that will be helping you to prepare for your trading better. So if you are a trader and if you trade Forex, then these 3 websites will be helping you to understand the market better and make better trades with a better plan. So first website that I'm going to discuss is the Forex Factory. Forex Factory has been known for its calendar. It has a great amount of information about the fundamental aspects and events that are going to happen today, tomorrow, even the week or the next week. But before going into further, I want to discuss the timing and how you can use the Forex Factory in your trading plan. So first you need to go to the timer and then fix a time. My timing is GMT plus 6, that is Almaty Dhaka, and there is no daylight saving, so I turned it off. And the time format, I like it AM PM rather than 24 hours. Then I go to the calendar. As the time is matched, down the Forex Factory is showing me when the news is coming up on my time zone. For an example, today is September 2nd, so today we have 7:30 a.m. Australian dollar news, that is GDP, and it was a negative news. That means Australian dollar is going to weaken in the coming days. It was worse than the forecast. That means it will have a greater impact in the running days. So one of the most important thing is that you need to understand what these economic indicators are doing. So if you have no idea what GDP means, just click on this folder icon and it will show you, it will help you to understand what it is. Like, it is the change in inflation adjusted value of all goods and services produced by the country, and the usual effect is actual greater than forecast is good for currency. So in this case, actual is worse than the forecast. That means it is bad for the currency and Australian dollar is going to weaken in the coming days. Okay, so in the upcoming hours, we have ADP non-farm employment change that is expected to have 1,250k, which was previously at 167k. And we also have another important speech of Great British Pound, that is Bank of England's Governor Bailey's speech, which will be held at 7 p.m. my time. So first what we did is we set our time, then we are just watching when the important news are coming up. And how you're going to say it is important or not, these little boxes like factories are the indicators. You can do it. You can do one thing. You can go to the filter, and these red boxes are the high impact news. These orange boxes are medium impact news. These yellow boxes are low impact news, and these gray boxes are no impact news. So if you don't need any kind of no impact, if you don't need any kind of lower impact, just medium and high impact news, that's all. And what you can do is that you don't need bonds if you're trading Forex. You don't need any kind of miscellaneous news. You just need the growth, housing, inflation, consumer surveys, employment, business surveys, central bank speeches. And if you don't trade in Chinese yen, then you can uncheck it as well and apply the filter. Then you will see a much more better kind of chart over here that will be listing you only the high impact and the medium impact news. Okay, so I think that will save a lot of cluster and clutter in the market. So if you just watch the list, you can see over here we have Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but Monday is blank because on Monday there were no high impact or medium impact news to be published. Okay, so this is the first thing that I wanted to share, is that you can plan ahead of your time and you can plan your trades for the day or for the week by just watching the news or just looking at the news in the Forex Factory. What are the events are coming up, how the events are going to impact the market, as I filtered out all the low impact and no impact kind of news, so you'll get a fresh chart or list of events that are going to usually impact the market. Then we'll be going to the next website, that is called investing.com. Yes, it does have a lot of ads, but I can't help it. Yeah, but it is one of the most important news, because if you are a trader, if you want to know what is happening in depth, then you have to go to this website. This website is going to help you understand the news better. You get all the top cryptocurrencies and the technical analysis with the indicators. You get all kind of stock screener. You get all kind of news that are regularly published and updated. And one of the most important thing is that you also get the rates of the central bank in the bottom. Like the Fed is at 0.00 to 0.0025, and the next meeting is on September 16th, and ECB is on 0.00. And you know all the important central bank rates over here. And if you want to know more, just go to the news section and go to Forex, and you can gain a big knowledge about the Forex market, like the dollar up over positive US economics data, New Zealand central bank signals openness to losers policy, GDP numbers seeing the Aussie dollar as focus shifts to the euro and the greenback. So the things are elaborately explained in investing.com, which you don't get in the Forex Factory. So if you see a news and what were the effect or what is the comment about it, you can go to the investing.com and click on the news and Forex. You get all the knowledge you need about the news, and you get all the insights from some analysts as well. Then the last but not the least website is the forexlive.com. Forexlive.com is quite like the investing.com, but you get a more amount of news and explanations from the personals who are really into the market. Like Australian Treasurer Frenberg says, considering bringing forward tax cuts. Australian Treasurer Frenberg addressing media. And you get all kinds of, if you are trading cryptocurrency and if you need any kind of technical analysis help, you can also get that from the forexlive.com. And you can also visit the economic calendar section of the Forex Live, which is like the Forex Factory, but I like the Forex Factory better because this economic calendar might seem a bit robust, but it lacks some simplicity, and this website takes a lot of time to load, even if you have the fastest connection around. So for knowing the details, I always prefer investing.com and forexlive.com. And another website that I always love to visit more often, that is one of the extra but one of the most important website that recently is rising like fire, is A2ZMarkets.com. A2ZMarkets.com covers a lot of news with the crypto, Forex, and even the options. If you are an option trader, you get the daily Forex option expiries, you get the news about the brokers, you get news about what cryptocurrencies are coming, you get the technical analysis in Forex currencies, in the commodities, in the cryptocurrencies, you get live entry points, and everything you can think of. Like whatever investing.com and forexlive.com is missing, you'll get everything in A2ZMarkets.com. Just remember A2ZMarkets.com, and you can, one of the most important things is that you get a free certificate as a Forex trader or a cryptocurrency trader from A2ZMarkets.com, and this A2ZMarkets.com certificates are really impressive, and you get a kind of identity by having this kind of certificates from the A2Z Markets. And one of the most important thing is that you can register for free, you can get all the services, everything for free. So this is it for today's video, and if you have any more questions, just write in the comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have learned something from this channel. And if you want me to cover any kind of topic on trading, on fundamental, technical, or sentimental analysis, just comment below, and I'll be helping you out to understand the market better and to make some money from the market without costing you even a penny. So thank you for being with MFX Center. Thank you for being with me. Please do subscribe and like our videos.